Well, here is video number one. I just unloaded the beast, and man, this is definitely a project. Transmission's out, engine's out, all the wiring harness is gone. I do have the transmission. I don't know what kind of condition it's in or how many miles are on it. I have no idea how many miles are on the car. Dash is pulled out, which we'll get to in a second. Here's, I believe, original factory seats. In it right now is some sort of racing seats, which I don't care for. They will be coming out. But the interior is packed full of components, mostly the dash. This right here is the dash subframing. There is nothing in the dash right now. But the back seat is full of other interior parts. The trunk is full. This thing is, yeah. But all in all, oh, there's the steering column that's been removed. I have no idea why the person ripped apart the interior, but all in all, the exterior and undercarriage is pretty good. She's dirty, but the body is straight, the frame is straight, all the glass is good. The top is in fairly good condition. There's a little bit of dry rotting right there on just the very edge of the lower portion of it, but otherwise it's just gravel, dust, and dirt. I should be able to, it's a little sun faded, but I should be able to get it looking nice again. She's dirty, she's been sitting a long time, but it's an original V8 GT model. Had the 4.8 liter in it. A lot of the, I think the K member is new, and the bushings. The rack is old. The strut towers are old. They're original, I think. But some of the AC lines are still here. But we're missing the radiator, the intercooler for the air conditioning, obviously the bumper, the headlights. I have new headlights. I do not have a bumper. I do not have the hood, so that'll all have to be new. On the way home, I lost the cowl that was here and the wiper blades. There was the cowl, a black plastic cowl over there, and I lost it. I didn't realize it wasn't bolted down. But I only have two of these aftermarket wheels. And the rear is spare tires that don't have but two lugs on them. Missing a marker light there. But other than that, we're pretty good. There's some questionable stuff underneath where the gas tank is back here. Oh, there's no exhaust as well, but all of that stuff would have been replaced anyways. Yeah, so all in all, I got the project car for $1,700. So hopefully I only have to stick about 7 or 8 into it, and that will give me a little room for profit and hopefully some fun. All right, this is day one of the Mustang 2006 Mustang GT 4.8 liter.